Hey there, gang. Welcome back to Papa's Model Workshop. I'm Papa. This is my workshop. Just a real fast mid-week update to check in with you on the voting for the Assemblers United group build, which is being hosted by Lynx Scale Models and Shaggy's Awesome Garage. And that is going to begin on September 1st and run until March 1st. And the three kits that everybody is voting on, we've got the 56 Chevy Del Rey right there. All right, and we've got the Ford Cabriolet right there is B. And C is the Plymouth GTX. I think that's a 67, right? Yeah, 67. And that is, almost dropped it, that is C, okay? So far, we've got quite a few votes that have come in. And there is indeed a clear front runner on those three. I'm actually a little bit surprised that the front runner status has gone the way it has, but there is a clear front runner by a margin that's better than 2-1. So if you want to vote, I'm going to keep the voting going until this coming Sunday the 31st of August, and then I will add up all the votes, and I will announce on Monday, September 1st, which kit all of you chose. And then after that, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a choice of 3 colors, and you can vote on the color scheme for the build that all of you picked for me. Quick shout out here to Jeffrey of JD Scale Auto. Now, Jeffrey is starting a brand new channel, so write that name down, JD's Scale Auto. I have absolute confidence that he is going to put up a great channel. He and I have been talking back and forth. He's enthusiastic about getting this up and running, so check him out and give him a little bit of a thumbs up and subscribe. I think it's going to be good stuff. Let's see. Max Utton. Max wants to see some of my other builds and how I display them. So Max Utton, I will see about putting together a video where I can show you some of my other builds and how I display them. Christina Sorensen, shout out to her. Christina, I got your email, and your shop card is going out. In fact, this is your shop card right there. It's going out in today's mail. All right, and if any of you out there want a shop card, there's my email address, and that's what Christina did. She copied that down, and she sent me the email, and now she's getting her shop card. And let's see, what else do we have here? Jim Crutchfield, I just got his shop card. All right, go check out his channel. All right, Southwest Florida Scale Model Builder. All right. And I really appreciate you sending me your shop card and the nice words on the back. I appreciate that very much. So I guess that's going to do it for now. I've made mention in the past about the notes that I keep for building my models, so you can check back on colors and all that sort of thing. And somebody, I can't remember who, but somebody pointed out that Ed, as a matter of fact, I think it was Shaggy, now that I'm thinking about it. He pointed out to me that Ed from One Team Garage has a master builder book that he uses, and he says that it's really top notch. So check that out. And I've watched One Team Garage channel. Great stuff there. Go check him out. Give him a thumbs up and subscribe. I think you'll be happy that you did. Okay, so like I said, this is just a really quick, check in with you for, what we have going with this group build. A, Chevy Del Rey, B, Ford Cabriolet, and C is the 67 Plymouth GTX. All right, and let's see, the next video is actually going to probably be uploaded either tomorrow or Friday. I already shot that, and I didn't make mention of the voting to remind you, which is why I'm doing this midweek update. And that video is actually going to be about what happens when you're into your build and parts are missing, because that's what happened to me. I'll show you my solution. It's a little bit out of the box. But most of what I do is kind of out of the box. That's just the way my brain is. Some of you may look at that and say, oh, it's pretty innovative thinking. And some of you may look at that and say, Papa, you can't do that. What the heck are you doing? Well, I did it, so too late. So I'll show that to you in the next video. Like I said, it's already been shot. It just has to be uploaded. That'll go up either tomorrow, Thursday, the 28th, or Friday, the 29th. Here in this month of August. And then, as I mentioned, Monday, I will announce which one of these three kits all of you chose for me. So I thank you all for tuning in once again and putting up with me. And I will see you in the next video.